Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be like getting some more I'm gonna finish some more tiers, and I'm just gonna tell you guys why you guys should buy the Brawl Pass. So first of all, for first example, what if you guys run out of quests and you really want to get like a mega box? For example, I was getting the 100 um power points, and I really wanted the mega box, but I had no quests. But what if I got the Brawl Pass exclusive and I had some quests finished from there? Number one. That's number one. Okay. Number two. Um you guys should also get it because the Brawl Pass, you guys could have more tiers. Like, what if like you guys are tired of only getting these? You guys want more at a time. You guys just think like, okay, I just got these power points. Can I have something else with it? Like, now I have to grind another 500 to get this Brawl Pass. And why don't you just get it two things at one time? There. That's why you should also get it. Last but not least, it also gives you some like good rewards. Like if you also get the Brawl Pass, look what you're also gonna get. It also gives you buzz pins, and it gives you extra rewards, and it gives you like higher coins and stuff, and it gives you higher like power points and stuff, and it gives you very nice buzz pins, and it even gives you buzz itself, and it even gives you some skins. Like it gives you two skins. It gives you first of all, it gives you Surfer Carl at the beginning. Like, look, guys, you guys could just get Surfer Carl, and at the end, when you guys go from all the way, you guys jump up to the last one, you guys will get Born Bad Buzz, which is a very nice exclusive skin. So that's why you should also get the Brawl Pass. So, I'm just gonna also try to get some more, like, I'm gonna finish all my quests. So, I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna do my my Brawl Pass exclusive quest. Actually, no, I'm just gonna use Buzz because I got him out of the Brawl Pass. So I'm just gonna use Buzz, and I'll do Soul Showdown because I also want to rank up Buzz because I haven't really got him ranked fully. So I'm just gonna rank him up. So let me just wait till this thing loads. Okay, all right, ready? So, and guys, I also have one of his gadgets called Reserve Boo or something, and it just gives you his super for free. That's why I kind of like it. And look, oh no, I aimed it at the wrong place, but it's all right. And guys, I really like the skin called Born Bad Buzz. And guys, tell me what your dream brawler is. My dream brawler is Amber, because I really want to get her. Alright. Okay, alright. And guys, tell me if I should play with anyone else, because I have some friends that might want to play with me. Okay, guys, so I have my super ready. I'm gonna go charge it on that Nita right over there. Nitaberg! Oh, got it. And guys, I also like about his super is that it freezes people, which is nice. Let me go freeze her pet. Done. Alright, so now I love using Buzz, he's very good. So now I'm gonna go and find the last person. I'm not sure who I'm gonna be fighting. I'm probably gonna be fighting let's see. I'm fighting a Poco. I might be even fighting a Poco. Oh, El Primo. 10,000. Help El Primo. Alright. El Primo! El Primo is here and he's frozen. That's why he did not move, because he was frozen by me. And I am first, of course. Seed. I'm about to get level 28. I'm very excited. So now, I'm gonna use another brawler. So now, I'm gonna finish actually some of my cards. So I have to use Bold. And guys, pause. Look how much I've ranked up. No, look how much power point. I've used so much power points on him. Like, guys, he's already power level 7. And, since I've been getting everything, I've been using all my power points on him. They probably gave me this gadget because of that. Oh, sorry for that. So, and guys, look at how much, of my, guys, just look how much, pins I have for Buzz. Look at all my pins. I have all these pins. I like this one. It looks nice. Bus pins. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna go use them inside a solo showdown match. Okay, we're just gonna load up. Alright, so it's just loading, and I'm about to go in. Alright, so now I have to get the box. Alright, so I've got it now. I'm just gonna trap. The Shelly trapped me. Bad Shelly. Did you guys see that? He just jumped and he kind of ended. Alright, alright. So. Okay. Now I'm gonna go against the Poke. Done Poco. Done Poco's dead. Poco is dead. Alright. Now I'm gonna go against the box. Box. Shoot him. Hey. Guys, should I jump? Let's go. No. Right. Now I'm gonna load up my super. I saw 3. What? Nani, that guy got out of it. Done. These guys, Buzz always win. Ooh. Okay. Yes, got him level 20. Level up. Let's go. Alright. So guys, I will be ending that video. Please guys, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on all notifications, and I'll see you guys inside the next video. Bye!